There once was a man with two sons. The younger, restless, demanded his inheritance and journeyed to a distant land. There, he squandered his wealth on wild living, quickly losing everything. A severe famine struck, and he found himself in desperate need, forced to feed pigs, longing for even their scraps. Alone and starving, he remembered his father's house. "I will return," he resolved, "and say, 'Father, I have sinned. I am no longer worthy to be called your son.'" While still a long way off, his father saw him. Filled with compassion, he ran, embraced him, and kissed him. The son began his confession, but the father interrupted, calling for the best robe, a ring, and sandals. "Bring the fattened calf. Let's feast and celebrate, for this son of mine was dead and is now alive. He was lost and is now found." The elder son, returning from the field, became angry at the celebration. His father pleaded with him, saying, "My son, you are always with me. But we had to celebrate because your brother was lost and is now found." This timeless story reminds us of boundless love and forgiveness.